In this video, we will be demonstrating how to install the ACS Composite 2016 Camaro front splash guards. For the install, you will need a 50-50 alcohol to water solution, a drill along with a 3/16-inch drill bit, a rivet gun with a 3/16-inch bit attachment. Removing the wheel makes the install much easier, but turning the wheel will provide you with enough room and clearance to complete the installation. Rub or clean away any debris on the liner that might prevent the guard from fitting properly. Next, use the 50-50 solution that you've prepared and give the area a final cleaning to ensure all debris is removed. You will notice on the splash guard a raised line. Use this line as a guide to place the guard on the Camaro. The line goes on the outside of the Camaro body. To help with the installation, have someone hold the guard in place, then peel the two-sided tape from the top to the bottom. Apply pressure to the guard as you peel away the tape's film for a tighter fit. Now that the guard is held in place with tape, drill using a 3/16-inch drill bit a hole through the guard into your Camaro's liner. The splash guards come with 3 pre-drilled holes. Then, using the supplied rivets, place one into the newly drilled hole and repeat. When crimped, rivets securely hold the liner to the guard. When using the rivet gun, apply pressure as you would with a drill to ensure that the rivet is completely through the guard and liner. If you don't have a rivet gun, there will be a link to one in the description below. Repeat the same process for the other side and the installation is complete. Now you're ready to start going out there and protecting your Camaro.